I was listening to some music. I like to listen to music. We can listen to music from musical instruments, or we can listen to the music in the environment. Who sings songs in the environment? The birds. The birds sing to us every morning. Every bird has a different song. They make a different sound. Listen. Listen to the birds. Let's see which bird makes each sound. Which bird makes this sound? Yes, a rooster. This is a rooster. Which bird makes this sound? Yes, a penguin. This is a penguin. Which bird makes this sound? Yes, an ostrich. This is an ostrich. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, an owl. This is an owl. Which bird makes this sound? Yes, a peacock. This is a peacock. Which bird makes this sound? Yes, a pigeon. This is a pigeon. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, a duck. These are ducks. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, a crow. This is a crow. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, a parrot. These are parrots. Which bird makes this sound? Yes, a hen. This is a hen. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, a dove. This is a dove. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, a swan. This is a swan. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, an eagle. This is an eagle. Which bird makes this noise? Yes, a sparrow. This is a sparrow. Birds sing beautiful songs. But why do birds sing? They are talking. Birds talk when they are singing. I wonder what they are saying. There are many birds in the environment, and they all talk to each other. They are saying they love each other. Birds say that they love each other. Can you see the birds? They are saying, I love you. Birds say, I love you. Love, love. A bird can say, I love you. A bird can say, I love you. When birds are far away from each other, they can call. They can say where they are. One bird can say, I am here. And another bird can say, I am there. They tell each other where they are. Can you see the birds? They are calling. They say, I am here. Where are you? I am here. They can say where they are. They are. Where are you? Where are you? I am here. I am here. A bird can say where they are. A bird can say where they are. And if there is danger, the birds will tell where the danger is. Maybe a cat is coming, or a snake. They will tell of the danger. Look, danger. The cat is by the bird. The other birds can say danger. They can tell other birds of danger. Danger, danger. A bird can say danger. A bird can say danger. When birds are singing, they are talking. And why do birds talk? They want to say they love each other. And they want to say where they are. And they want to say there is danger. Birds can talk. They talk by singing. But there is one bird that can talk and say words like you and me. Which bird is the talking bird? The parrot. There are many different, amazing birds. Goodbye, children. Sing, sing. A bird can sing. A bird can sing. Talk, talk. A bird can talk. A bird can talk.